MeghalayaPost.news.
Ubah Sanbor Shullai, Menteri Kesorkar Jela bat MLA ke South Shillong, ulaong Ïaka Shillong Ropeway project, kabasang dor kumba sispa sanpo klur la kami lanti ban Pyndep Noh House Snem ban 1, hadian baka jing Snem ban penturai Ïaka tiga project, na ka jing Snem ban yo Ïaka clearance. Habukran hadian ka jing let jurim Ïaka project, hapo ka program pragati prabhagat pat yatra, kabaraki ka jing dap khar Snem ka Sorkar Narendra Modi, usulai ulaong baki officer na ka KEC TCL, bat ka engineering wing jong katanat jongok kai protai, kila pentikena baka jing turai kalaya cha Kani ka Ropeway kan penyeso Ïaka Shillong viewpoint Samadan laban. Walah ka kontrak labu por lai Snem ban Pyndep Ïaka project henry ka agency ka bapenturai kalapan pa bon na ban Pyndep Noh Ïaka house Snem ban 1. Sanbor Shullai lapan tibru baka Sorkar kalamanjur ban siyo lai klur kum ka jingyarap na kabenta ka jaka syakarat laban dorbar parhadu mentala deban pelat siklur san polak tingka. Ulaong ru ba ondala turikam ka Ropeway kitrai snong kidai ban yo kam ningkong bat kumjuru kidukan. Katkum ka jingong jungu ka project kalasya penselam hadian belamudui Public Interest Litigation PIL ha Meghalaya High Court da kiriu sim kabu henry ka yeng bishar kalakantat Ïaka ka PIL bat ajing job Ïaka tanat jungok kai pertai. Ulaong ru balayo jingbit na ka Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change rangkat ka kendon badai bantung spoteli kiding man bakalem way.
Programs of the central government under the Prime Ministership of Narendra Modi ji. So this program is the Prabhagati Path Yatra, ongoing 12 years of the Modi government, an initiative taken by the central government. So we have been given a directive to inspect all the ongoing project sanctioned by central government in the entire state. So you have seen, as you are all aware, that a few days ago, many of our central leaders, they came to visit our state, and they have inspected all the ongoing schemes in the entire state, in Maukhanu, then Maudiangdiang, in New Shillong, all the ongoing projects funded by the central government. So today here in my constituency also, this one big major project, the Ropeway project. So based on this program, so we have arranged this inspection, this Ropeway project, which will be constructed right from the Shillong viewpoint. And here, this place in Malaban, this is a landing place where we are here today. So all the reports based on the inspection and the report given by the technical official of the NEC, technical official of the company, KEC company, then official from the tourism department, engineering wing. So the progress of the work is in progress, and the time of completion based on the tender agreement, it is 3 years. Within 3 years they have to complete. So based on the conversation with them, so they have given the assurance that by next year the project will be completed, and accordingly the project will be handed over to the concerned department for the interest of the general public. So land compensation for ₹3 crores has also been given to the Raj Laban Dorbar, where the Raj Laban Dorbar has parted their land to the tourism department, and the valuation of land was 3 crore. So in 2 installments, one installment has been given for 1.50 crore, and the remaining 1.50 crore has already been paid to the Raj Laban Dorbar in the form of land compensation. So hopefully that once the project is completed, so it will generate employment. So many shops will come up. So based on the agreement with the government through the Raj Laban Dorbar, first preference, shops, stalls will be given to the local through the recommendation of the Raj Laban Dorbar, and also job employment also will be given to the local boys and girls of this locality of Raj Laban Dorbar. Few months ago, it got stagnant with the forest department. So they have to fulfill the criteria of the forest department. Then the clearance is being approved by the Ministry of Forest and Environment, Government of India. It takes lots of times. And as you are all aware, in the middle, a few vested interests also, they have filed PIL and even a complaint to me as a local MLA, to the Sanbor Shullai, to the government, and subsequently they have filed a PIL in the High Court. So after a few months, the High Court, after observation, they have given a verdict in favor of the tourism department, and they have squashed set aside the PIL filed by vested interest people. So the delay is lying there for a few months, but now everything is clear and the work is in progress, and hopefully by next year the work will be completed and handed over to the concerned department. Before the Ministry of Forest and Environment, that is the criteria you have to sign in the form of affidavit. So once you cut one tree, you have to replace or you have to plant 10 trees in place of one. 151 crores.
MeghalayaPost.news